Hi, my name is Nina, and today I'll be teaching you how to make this candy moon wand. Let's get started. The materials you're going to need include pony beads and perler beads, fishing line, an unsharpened pencil, scissors, and a pegboard. Before we start, please be careful using fishing line. It can cut your hand if you pull hard enough. Please attempt at your own risk. You're going to start with 4 beads. After tying them together, you're going to add 4 more beads to create a square. Once you've created your square, you're going to put your string into the next bead, which should be the outermost bead. Now you're going to start adding rows in 4s. You're going to use the outermost beads as a guide. Essentially, you're going to be lacing a bead through the string, then lacing that string through the next outermost bead, or every other bead. For the base and support, I use Leah Kitten's AK-47 gun candy tutorial. I'll link it in the description down below. This will help you with more in-depth instructions. So in this part, I'm using her barrel pattern. After your 2 rows of yellow, you're going to move on to pink. I started using a pencil as a guide. This helps me make sure all the beads are in place. In addition, it can help give support in the final product. I actually got this pencil as a freebie from one of my college career fairs. Spartan up! After you finish about 12 rows, you're going to tie it off and put it to the side. Now you're going to start on the support. In Leah Kitten's video, this is the handguard. You're going to use 14 beads and follow the same steps as you did for the base. After you complete about 4 rows of pink, you're going to continue with 2 rows of yellow. Remember not to cut off any excess string. This can be used in the later steps. For this design, I wanted to combine both the pony and perler traditional way of making candy. This helps provide it with more structure. So now you have the base, the support, and other accessories. This is where you'll need a needle. This is to help give your perler beads a little bit more flair. You finally finished completing the different parts. Now it's time to put them together. Here you'll use your excess string to loop through the pony and the perler beads. Sometimes I would add a couple beads in between the strings just to make sure the design is put together. After you attach the 4 pieces together, here's what you get! As someone who is just introduced to the EDM scene, making candy really helped me get out of my comfort zone, and I hope my video helped you elevate your candy experience. I am hosting a giveaway for the candy I made in this video, and details will be down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!